What if the person standing in your way isn't your boss, your circumstances, or your past, but you, the version of yourself that's comfortable with mediocrity, the one that's mastered excuses, the one that's afraid to burn it all down and start fresh? Here's the truth most gurus won't tell you. To transform your life, you need to kill your current self. Not literally, but you need to burn away the version of you that's holding you back. I call this the Phoenix method. Number 1, the trap of your current self. Think about Alex, 26 years old, decent job, decent relationship, nothing terrible, but nothing exceptional either. Every Sunday night, he promises this week will be different. Yet by Wednesday, he's back in the same patterns, wondering why nothing changes. Sound familiar? That's because what got you here, your current habits, mindset, and comfort zone, can't get you there. As Musashi said, think lightly of yourself and deeply of the world. Your current self is a survival mechanism. It kept you safe, but safe doesn't equal fulfilled. Number 2, the burning process. The Phoenix doesn't politely request transformation, it burns completely. For you, this means confronting the uncomfortable truth that you're good enough is keeping you from greatness, detaching from the identity you've built around your limitations, letting go of the story you've been telling yourself about what's possible. This isn't about adding more productivity hacks or positive thinking. It's about burning away what's been holding you back. Number 3, rising from the ashes. After the fire comes the moment of rebirth. This is where real transformation happens. In those quiet moments between who you were and who you're becoming, you discover what truly matters. You rebuild intentionally, not by default. You choose habits that serve your vision, not your comfort. You embrace challenges that grow you, not protect you. You create a life designed by purpose, not circumstance. Number 4, the cycle continues. Here's the secret about transformation. It's not a one-time event. The Phoenix rises, lives, burns, and rises again. The version of you that's successful at 25 may not be the version you need at 30. Growth isn't linear, it's cyclical. It's a continuous process of shedding old layers and rising stronger with each challenge. So I'll ask you directly, what version of yourself needs to burn away today so you can rise stronger tomorrow? If you're ready to apply the Phoenix method to your life, hit subscribe button. Remember, transformation isn't comfortable, but neither is staying the same.